Okay, first, boys and girls,
I want to be in your way.
we're going to start by singing our ABCs, okay? Well, wait for me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you pray with me? How about, before we sing our special mommy song, how about we do Twinkle, Twinkle? Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Beautiful. We're going to just stretch you out a little bit so mommies could get pictures of all of you, okay? Here you go. Now we're going to do our special song we've been practicing.
Mommy song.
We're going
The mommy song, yes.
We're going to start with our Barney's, right?
Mommy song? Yes.
Okay, ready? Up. Put your shirts down. Good job. Down this way. Ready? I love you. You love me. We're a happy family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Okay, you ready? And nice and loud.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh, my mother has a first name. It's Anna. My mother has a first name. It's Anna.